Finally, OnePlus 12 launched in China for 4,299 RMB, who is almost $600 and 50,000 rupee. And this year OnePlus come back a lot of changes, and the big highlighted is the camera. OnePlus 12 come with triple camera setup in the back, 50 megapixel Sony Lite 808 primary camera, 48 megapixel ultra wide who is Sony IMX581. At the first time OnePlus using telescope telephoto lens, the phone come with 64 megapixel OB64B telephoto lens with 3 and 6x optical zoom, and you can take highest 120x digital zoom. And the font is come with 32 megapixel Sony IMX615 front camera, and the video section you can record highest 8K video. So let's see some official picture sample. That's pretty much for today's video, and if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching, and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.